Hello and welcome to the second part of the Wiki tutorial. By now you have hopefully all met with your groups online and started to figure out how the Wiki pages work. In this tutorial we're going to address a few more cool things that you can use to make your Wiki pages even better and also to communicate with your group more effectively. Communicating with your fellow group members. We are at the group's homepage. This page allows me and my other group members to communicate with one another by posting on a social stream. I can post messages here about my status or announcements. For example, I can announce a study group or a Google Hangout. Say I want to arrange a Google Hangout and I want to tell everybody that I'm available at 2 p.m. on Thursday. Don't forget to click Save, and then it appears on the announcements page. If you are not the person who posted the announcement but one of the other group members, the home page is going to look something like this to you. Or you can also click on announcements and access your group members' announcement. A different way to get in contact with your group members is by clicking People, where you can see all of their contact details. A third tool you could use is the Discussions tab, which takes you to a forum where anyone in the group can host a small group discussion. The most important tool, however, is the Collaborations. Once there, you have to click on Start a New Collaboration and then Authorize Google Documents. It might take a while. Once it's authorized, you can create your Google Doc. It is advisable that you have one Google Doc per module. So for example, Module 1 Collaborations. You can use these Google documents per module to write your responses to each week's Wiki work. And then use this as a space to edit each other's work and combine each other's responses into the final bigger work. That's the final module Wiki. Then if we revisit your group site, that's what the document looks like and everyone can access it from your group. 2. Working with video. In your Wiki group page, you have the option of sharing video either from YouTube or other online sources such as Vimeo, or you could also create and upload your own video. Here's how. As you can see, we're back on the home page of the group. The first thing we need to do is click on Pages and then start editing. If you have a video that interests you, make sure to click on its link on YouTube or whichever site you found it from, copy the URL of the link, and then go back to the Wiki page, give your video a title, for example, Reggie Wilson, highlight it, click on link, paste the URL in the search bar, and there you go. Now it's hyperlinked. A different way that you can do it is if you click on this little film icon over there, which gives you the option to either record a video or upload media that is already saved on your computer. You also have the option of embedding image in a similar manner. So say for example that you found this image over here. Again, same process. We copy the URL, we go back to our Wiki page. This time click on this little image with a tree, click on embed image, paste the URL, click on update, and then we can see the image on our Wiki group page. You can of course resize it. At the end, of course, always make sure to click on Save Changes. And this is what our page looks like. Hopefully yours will be a lot cooler than this. Another very important thing to not forget is that every time you're working on a wiki for a new module, you have to click on create a new page. Otherwise, if you click on edit, you will overwrite the same page and your previous assignment will get lost. Hope you'll have fun with your first wiki page.